Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to talk to you about image to text. Okay, text to image, sorry. So everything in description in here, you will generate for you an idea for you lah. Okay, so it's inside AI design. So press return. It's in here, AI design. You select in here and you come into here. So there's mode 1.0, 2.0. This is for field. So this is for text to image. Okay, from here, so you can use image to words if you want to put as description. All right. Then you also got model 1, model 2, ratio and all, and then the image size 2, 4, and 6 and 8. All right. So it should go, it will be more expensive lah. Alright, so that's an image to word. So let's say maybe you will go for let me see. Maybe our gaming room, maybe. Alright, then just from here, then you press generate. Okay, so as you can see here, so but it give you a living room lah, because I never description and where just says the gaming room. So and you can see here, so you can give you something like this. Okay, if you want, you okay. No okay, then you guys give you some idea again lah. Alright, so in here, so previously also I also could generate some ideas, so it looks something like this lah. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.